Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I am making another sculpture. I know, right? So I've only got a few parts out. I've got a couple file cabinets full of stuff, and I've got some more drawers. Let me show you right there. So I got these drawers full of stuff. Then I got that drawer full of stuff. Then I've got these that are full of more little things, and then I've got more up and around, and well, that's what artists do. They conglomerate stuff into, I look at it as the world's most complex erector set. That's where I'm at. Let me show you what I've got. Okay, so, and you got to start out somewhere, right? So I've got this great piece here. Now I don't know whether I want to conform this into being the head and a body part, this being the head up here and the upper part of the torso here. Now we can also, remember, we got different diagnostics that we can use with this. So we can turn it upside down or right side out, depending on what you want to do with it. And we can use this as the body down here, and we can use this as maybe the mouthpiece for I don't know, let's say maybe a head. I mean, you know, we're just looking at basically attaching these things, right? Because anything is just an assemblage of metal. So we can do it many different ways. We can do it down here if you want to make these. Usually the pairs are going to be the eyeballs. So, you know, this way we've got eyelashes or eyebrows up here, right? With these little connector tabs that can easily be bent or manipulated. We also have the pair of eyes here. We've got kind of a cool little nose right here, which is what grabbed this was inside of a VCR. That's what grabbed the tape there, and this held it so you could read it, or I don't know, something like that. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy who puts stuff together. So anyway, we've got this guy here as a head we could use, and before I turned the camera on, I got sidetracked, and well, I had this is a part from, well, I think it's the inside of a TV tube or something, and there's the bottom part, which is pretty plain Jane, you know, but you turn it upside down, and I think it kind of looks like a cool hat myself. And I'm thinking about what I'm going to do with these little wires here, probably fluff them out, maybe something like I did here, coil them and reinsert them and make them look like they're useful, because that's basically in the end product, that's what we want to do, is make it look like there's something useful, to assemble it to the head part, because that's where hats go, right? So unless we want to use it for something else. So here I'm probably just going to do a simple braid here, a four line braid with these, maybe, or is there five? Looks like there's 5 lines there, and maybe I can incorporate a nice twist into this, like feathers in a hat, maybe. I can also reincorporate this back down into the circuit board here, so I can close the loop very simply and put a couple twists in it, maybe put well, I got graphite reducer coils that I guess wrap around in there, and I could put one of those on there too. That would be kind of cute. Okay, well, I grabbed a few. Here's what they look like. So I thought they might look like little Cylon eyeballs or something from some sort of scary movie. So, and of course you got the nose. I got a few of these little round ones, so that could be the eyeballs too, I guess. But I'm getting sidetracked. I don't think it's going to fit through here. It's not gonna go in there. So this is what we got here. I don't know, that looks pretty good. Somebody else can do something with it, or I can do it a little later. And then with these, just do the simple 5-line braid. Anyway, just a hat. I can do anything with these. I can coil them up and make them into little coils. Let's do all of them once. How's that grab? Okay, are we ready for the big reveal? Let's see what it looks like. Oh, hey. Well, that's pretty cute. That's a cute hat. It can go on top of a head. I don't know, what do you think? This could be the brim of a baseball cap. So it could be going just like this over the head, over the top of him, right? Right? And then he has a little ball or something back here. I don't know. What are we gonna do? There's another couple cool parts I had laying around. I don't know what these go to, but they got little clippies you can hook the little wires into there. So, maybe antennas on the top of the head, huh? What do you think? Then we got this here, which looks like some sort of a DV HDMI hookup or something. I don't know, but it's kind of cool and cute little thin wire here that runs around. I don't know. What are we gonna do? Just think, I got file cabinets full of stuff. Hee hee hee.